Presto string parents. Welcome to week 2 of Presto at Wheatley. One important thing that I need to mention before we get into what we covered in class today is that all of the students received another COVID permission slip form that I need you to sign. There are 2 sheets that need to come back. Make sure that you look at the back of the first sheet and fill that out too for Mr. Glover. He needs that tomorrow, so please don't forget to do that. In class today, we assigned numbers to each finger. So the pointer finger is 1, middle finger is 2, ring finger is 3, and pinky finger is 4. When you say the numbers, the students should touch that finger and make an O round shape, not pointed like that. So it should touch the fingertip. Some students made some silly glasses and they thought that was funny, which is okay too, to see the round. You can say to them different finger combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. They should say the number and touch the finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. For some students at this age, it's hard to do both hands mirrored at once. So you might, if they're having trouble, start with one hand at a time and then do the other hand, and then try and add them together. You can go backwards, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you can have some fun and do Simon Says and go in different orders. 1, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2. They can give you different combinations too and check to see if you're touching the right fingers. The other thing that we did today in class was learn the parts of the instrument. The students all received 2 sheets, one with all of the parts of the instrument labeled and one with just numbers on it. I'll talk to you about how to go over the parts with them in just a moment. But after you've gone over those parts with them a few times, use the sheet that just has the numbers on it and see if they can tell you what each part is. And after they are really good at it, then fill out this sheet with them. Some of the words are longer and tough to spell, so if they want you to write them for them, that's okay with me. You can also spell the words for them if they don't know how to spell them. But when they come back to school on Wednesday, next Wednesday, they should bring this sheet with them, the one with the numbers, all filled out with their name at the top, and give it to me in class. Now we'll go over the parts of the bow and the instrument. The parts of the bow that we did were the frog, this is the rectangular part, the screw, which is at the very end, the grip, which is this black leather part, the wrap, which is the metal part here, the horsehair, the stick, and the tip of the bow, which is at this end. We have a song for the parts of the instrument that I sang. I would sing and they would repeat after me. This is the tailpiece, and they would sing, this is the tailpiece. These are the fine tuners. This is the bridge. It holds up the strings. These are the strings. This is the fingerboard. It's where we'll put our fingers. This is the nut. It's a little piece of wood right there. These are the pegs. This is the peg box. This is the scroll. This is also part of the scroll. This is the neck. These are the upper bouts. These are the C bouts. It's a C. These are the lower bouts. These are the F holes. They're the only hole that goes inside of the instrument. This is the top, and this is the end button. On a cello, you have an end pen that comes out of the instrument instead of the end button. We also learned on a violin and a viola, this is called a chin rest. And so that's all for this week. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Please remember to reply to the email so that I know that you've watched the video. Have a great week. Bye-bye.